Ever wanted to bring your character's hair to life with effortless movement? Let's jump into Adobe Animate CC and learn how to achieve this. First, create a new document. We'll use a standard web template, import or draw your character. Focus on the hair for this tutorial. Next, select the pen tool, click and drag to create Bezier curves resembling hair strands. Now, we will make sure the hair has some motion. Duplicate the character's hair layer several times on the timeline. For each duplicate, make slight adjustments to the curves, varying the shape and position to mimic a wave. Add more keyframes to each frame, and slightly adjust the shapes of the hair again by using the selection tool, making sure each strand is in different positions. Make sure to keep the movement subtle to create realism. Now select each frame from the layer. Select all the frames and right-click. Then pick Create Classic Tween, hit play. And there you have it. Your character's hair is now flowing naturally. Experiment with different shapes, speeds, and strand numbers to hone your skills. Congratulations, you've learned a fundamental animation technique to add dynamism to your designs. #hair animation, #Adobe Animate.